Savneet, please आजा.
Hello.
Hello जी, सत श्री अकाल.
सत श्री अकाल जी.
So Savneet is someone I met how many years back, Savneet?
I think around 3 years ago.
Yeah, 3 years ago. And we were standing in one of the WOW programs that was created by Shobha Arya, and we were both standing in the bathroom. And yeah, the meeting place, both women were trying to look into the mirror and say ki acha shakal to theek hai, kapde everything
I remember that.
and she was busy checking herself and I was busy checking myself. And you know how we are, we after that we look into ourselves and theek hai, and then let's walk out. So we both walked out, and that was our first meeting. We kept meeting again and again, and we kept meeting again and again, and actually we kept doing this again and again, but not in the bathroom. We stood probably off the stage, on the stage, looked at each other, and somewhere there was a little compliments that we were exchanging for each other. Hey, you're looking very nice. I would say, hey, you're looking very nice. She would say, I like your jewelry, and I would say, I would like this about you. And that's how it went. So we had nice things to say to each other. We didn't look at each other and say, oh, what do you think you are? We didn't do that. We looked at each other and smiled, welcomed each other. And that's how our friendship grew. Just a smile can take you miles. And sometimes just that meet of the eyes, just that connect, maybe in the bathroom, how does it matter? Wherever you are, takes us a long way. And I'm so happy I did smile at her, because today I would have never met a Sadarni so beautiful otherwise. Savneet, over to you. You're going to be gracing us with Reiki, meditation, and ESP. And so I leave it completely to you. So मेरा बोलना बंद guys, और अब सवनीत का बोलना शुरू. Thank you.
Thank you, Anu. Thank you so much for such a beautiful introduction, such a beautiful smiley introduction, I would say. तो अभी हम bathroom friends हैं.
लोग वो बाथरूम सिंगर्स होते हैं ना, हम बाथरूम फ्रेंड्स हैं. सोच ले.
और मैं ना हमेशा अनु को बोलती थी कि I think we have a soul connection. तो अनु सोल से बाथरूम में ले गई वो connection.
We have a Lou connection.
Lou connection.
बिल्कुल. Everything starts from there only, boss.
Yeah. And आज बहुत सारे मेरे favorites हैं आज group में. And one of the
बनी हुई है मैंने तेरे लिए, सारी की सारी. I said, come all, come from different parts of the world, come.
Right. And Binduji's session was just amazing. I've always loved her speaking, and she's my favorite number queen as well. So all our major community events, the dates are always on after approval of Binduji. And she knows it. Okay. So Aj, what do I start with? I think I would like to start with a small experience around guided meditation.
Okay.
So are you all ready for that?
Ah.
Okay.
Go ahead.
I'm sure everybody's ready. So just free yourself from all the distractions, all the interruptions, and adjust yourself, or just sit in a comfortable position.
बिंदु है ना, ये डॉक्टर बिंदु प्राणा.
प्लीज अपने आप को म्यूट कर लें सब लोग. So what I'm going to do is mute everybody, and then you unmute yourself, Savneet.
Yes.
Because मैं बहुत प्यार से बोल के थक गई हूँ. चलिए. Okay.
Yeah. Thank you, Anu.
Anji.
So now gently close your eyes. Take a long, slow, deep breath in and slowly exhale. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. concentrate on your breathing and just keep following my instructions. Breathe in deeply, feeling clean, fresh air entering your lungs. Breathe in and slowly breathe out. Releasing any tension you may be feeling. Releasing your breath. Just let all of it go. Let go of the noises around you. Just let everything go. If your mind wanders to thoughts, simply let it go. Simply let it go as if you were a leaf floating down a stream. Place each thought that arises on the leaf. Watch it float. Watch it float out of your sight. It's gone down the stream. Just let it go. Let it go. Now bring your attention back to your breath. Slowly breathe in and out. Breathe in and breathe out. Take a long, slow, deep breathe in and slowly exhale. Slowly allow your attention to expand. Now notice your entire body. And beyond your body to the room you're in. Na 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 na. Wiggle your toes and fingers. Whenever you're ready, rub your palms and gently keep it on your eyes. and come back fully alert and awake. So everybody back? So I hope I could do justice and I was able to give you a great experience.
Wonderful.
So this was a short meditation which you could practice on a daily basis. Basically, how food is required for the body, exercise is required to keep your body healthy, and same way meditation is required to keep your mind healthy. So going ahead, अभी मैं आई हूँ यहाँ पे रेकी के बारे में बात करने. So what is Reiki? Anybody? Okay. So let me start. So Reiki is simply a natural way of healing with touch. It's a very simple technique, simple Japanese technique founded by Makao Yusi in the year 1922. तो करना क्या है? Okay. So यहाँ पे मैं अपनी story share करती हूँ. How did I learn Reiki and how did I get into Reiki? So I learned Reiki when I was 12 years old. तब ना Reiki की spelling भी अलग होती थी. It was spelled as REKHI. और आज तक मैं struggle करती हूँ to switch of spelling. आजकल spell करते हैं REIKI. So that is my relationship with Reiki. Reiki is something which I have grown up with. Its value system is instilled in me. And it's given me a sense of grounding all the time. So it's like, my mind is conditioned कि कोई भी circumstances हो, उसको change कर सकते हो तो Reiki करनी है. तो मेरा माइंड अपने ऑटोमेटिकली कंडीशनड होता है. मैं सोते जागते खाते पीते पहले जब भी आप बोलोगे आई कैन जस्ट गेट इनटू रेकी एंड आई कैन send healing. So Reiki is the ability which is passed on during the attunement session. It's passed on by a Reiki grandmaster, and I think Anu over here is a grandmaster of Reiki. My teacher, मेरे टीचर ने भी मुझे बहुत बोला था ग्रैंड मास्टर बनने के लिए, but I think that was not the right time. वो एज नहीं थी, तो तभी समझ नहीं आई कि हाँ और भी आगे करना चाहिए. But practice बहुत बहुत की है. So Reiki can treat your mind, body, soul, and the spirits. So it's able to stimulate your body's healing abilities. तो आप ही पास ही वो हीलिंग एबिलिटी होती है, वो उसको स्टिमुलेट कर देती है. तो दैट इज द वे योर बॉडी इज हील्ड. सो रेकी does not directly cure a particular disease or an illness, but it will help you manage those symptoms. Like I was giving like past 2 years I was giving Reiki for somebody who is dealing with cancer. तो उसका क्या होता था ना, कैंसर की वजह से कीमोज होती थी, तो कीमोज के जो साइड इफेक्ट्स होते थे ना, वो बहुत ब्यूटीफुली रेक्टिफाई हो जाते थे. शी वाज अनेबल टू वॉक. तो वो धीरे धीरे करके वॉक करना भी उन्होंने स्टार्ट कर दिया. So it is like prevention is better than cure. So Reiki works hand in hand with prevention. It will work on the root cause rather than like allopathic medicines just jump on the main disease. So it doesn't jump on the main disease, but it will help you heal from the roots, from the emotion that particular illness or ailment is coming. So I have had many, many beautiful experiences of Reiki healing. So like there was, recently I'm treating somebody, she is dealing with piles. So, and बहुत severely उनको problem है, like she's got bleeding and erratic sleeping schedules. So with Reiki, the first thing that we could rectify was her sleeping patterns. So the medicine is taking care of the illness that she is into, पर हमने Reiki is like an aid for it. So sleeping patterns उनके erase हो गए. She used to get different dreams. वो सब pattern उनका sort हो गया. So now earlier she's a teacher. So earlier she used to lie down and take her classes. Now at least she started sitting up and taking her classes. So that was something that she was very thankful for. So going ahead, I've also combined Reiki with something called as ESP. ESP is extrasensory powers, extrasensory perceptions. जैसे रेकी होता है combination of ray and ki. Ray is a universal power, that's God's wisdom, and ki is universal energy. तो इसी के साथ मैंने जोड़ दिया था ESP. ESP is again extrasensory powers, powers of the higher energy. Higher. तो इसमें क्या होता है? Now when I am talking to you, we are in a conscious state of mind. So ESP is a journey of your mind from your conscious state to your subconscious mind. You go to the conscious subconscious state of your mind, that's also called as the alpha state. So in this state of mind, information is downloaded, information is analyzed, and then you get intuitions. So whatever you are saying in this state of mind, whatever intuitions are being downloaded in this state of mind, you're not thinking about it. ये अपने आप आती हैं, इसको बोलते हैं हम intuitions. तो यहाँ मैं शेयर करूंगी एक ब्यूटीफुल एक्सपीरियंस. जब मैं 16 इयर्स की थी, आई हैड बीन टू माय नेटिव प्लेस पंजाब, जहाँ पे बहुत शादियां थी, शादियों में गई थी. शादियों में तो हमेशा ऐसा होता था कि मेरी मम्मी मुझे बिठा देती थी, किसी की कभी हीलिंग कर रहे होते थे या फिर कभी किसी की रीडिंग कर रही हो. तो ऐसे ही एक बार मैं रीडिंग कर रही थी व्हेन आई वाज 16 इयर्स ओल्ड. सो दैट अंकल हैड आस्क्ड मी अ फ्यू क्वेश्चंस. सो आई टोल्ड हिम, यू हैव 3 चिल्ड्रन. वो माने ही ना. उनकी फैमिली में वो बोले हमारे 2 बच्चे हैं, उनकी फैमिली भी ना माने 2 बच्चे हैं. एंड आई कुडंट जस्ट मूव फर्दर विद इट, क्योंकि फर्स्ट ही ऐसा ग्रज आ गया था कि जहाँ ऑपोजिशन है, तो फिर मुझे लगा रॉन्ग इमेज आ गई है, अभी आई कुडंट गो फर्दर ओनली विद इट. देन सेपरेटली दैट अंकल टुक मी एंड ही वाज लाइक, आई हैव 3 चिल्ड्रन. जो पहला था वो इट वाज फ्रॉम अ प्रीवियस मैरिज व्हिच आई हैव गिवन इट टू माय सिस्टर नाउ. सो दैट्स द पावर ऑफ ESP. ESP में आप कभी गलत नहीं हो सकते हो, कोई ना कोई सिचुएशन आ ही जाती है, बिकॉज दैट इज द स्टेट व्हेन यू आर नॉट थिंकिंग. वो इंफॉर्मेशन अपने आप डाउनलोड हो रही है, वो अफर्मेशंस है, वो अपने आप डाउनलोड हो रहे हैं वो स्टेट ऑफ माइंड में. सो द कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ रेकी एंड ESP वर्क्स वंडर्स आल्सो इन केस ऑफ प्रेगनेंसीज. तो प्रेग्नेंट वुमेन क्या होती है, वो 9 महीने शी इज इन अ डिफरेंट माइंड फ्रेम ऑल टुगेदर. वो she undergoes different emotions altogether. तो वो emotions रेकी एंड ESP बहुत beautifully वो journey बहुत smooth बना देते हैं उसके लिए. So that way I have treated many people who wish to have children. उनके लिए भी काम किया है, and who are also in that phase. For them also it's happened beautifully. I think एक और एग्जाम्पल आई वुड लाइक टू शेयर अबाउट हाउस कीज. यहाँ पे बिंदु जी, ये आपके साथ रिलेट हो सकता है. So this lady had come to me with her house keys and she's like, कुछ तो गड़बड़ है घर पे, कुछ समझ नहीं आ रही है. मतलब हर जो भी वो काम उठाते थे, she used to not get success in that work and continues there were challenges at home. तो क्या हुआ, मैंने वो हाउस कीज पकड़ी थी and then I could just some vibration, something was wrong in the house. I said, you start doing cleaning, there is something in your house. वो मान ही नहीं रही थी, क्या है, मैं रोज साफ करती हूँ. I said, no, do cleaning. Then 2 days she cleaned her house. फिर मेरे पास आई. I said, no, I can't move ahead of this because जो something है ना, वो rectify नहीं हुआ अभी तक. There is something. You go and I just gave her a tip. You go and look for it in your bedroom. वो माने ना. मैंने कहा नहीं, आप जाओ, आप करके आओ बेडरूम में, आप देख कर आओ. तो उन्होंने अपना बेड साफ किया. बेड में एक गिफ्ट था, वो खोला, उसमें एक गणपति जी का आइडल था और वो टूटा हुआ था. सो दैट्स, आई थिंक बिंदु जी बराबर समझ पाएंगी कि मैं क्या बोलना चाहती हूँ. सो दैट वाज द कॉज ऑफ all of this, what was happening in the house. And then of course उन्होंने अपने priest को बुलाया and whatever they did with them. But that is one thing. Then there's one more thing that I would like to share: relationship issues, how relationships issues are sorted. So this husband and wife, they were on the verge of divorce. कुछ problem खास नहीं थी दोनों में. Whatever the wife came and told me, no, it was all irrelevant. I felt. I tried to counsel her, but उसको समझ नहीं आया. I said, okay. So what you do? So after in my ESP, I told her, there is some problem in the house. They were staying in a rented flat. I said, "Abhi tumne decision to le liya hai कि तुमको divorce लेना है, so just do like for me, for some time, go and stay in another house. ये घर की मुझे खिड़कियां बराबर नहीं लग रही, वो ventilation मुझे बराबर नहीं लग रहा है. Something is missing over here. So stay in some other house for some time." और आज 1 साल हो गया है, उनका डिवोर्स नहीं हुआ है. दे आर हैप्पीली मैरिड, अच्छे से रह रहे हैं. ये लॉकडाउन में उन्होंने सर्वाइव कर लिया. So that's the story, and I have got never ending stories. There was this one friend of mine who was into depression. I was ये डिप्रेशन में काफी टाइम से थी, जो मुझे ऑलरेडी पता था कि she was dealing with depression from quite a long time. So I told her, just let me do once. Let me just look into your inner self. पहले वो मान ही नहीं रही थी, बस रेखी तो मैं उनको बहुत टाइम से दे रही थी. I said, no, there is something is, I feel that there is something. So then we did ESP for her. And to our surprise, the depression and everything was because somebody was doing black magic on her. So black magic is already a separate thing. I said, this is my calling. I don't know. You find out now. You find that out. And within a week, she could find that out. Within a week, she got all her answers. And within a week, she got to know who was the person who was doing all of this on her. So like these, I've got many success stories, relationship issues, decision making, कौन से college में admission लेना है, career आगे कैसे करना है. All of this has helped me.
Savneet, would you like to work on some people over here?
Yes, of course. You will have to just give me 2 minutes and I can work on a few people. Whatever questions they have, they can ask.
That would be brilliant. Let's do that, because let people experience what you have.
Yes,
it just felt right. I've been listening with my head down because I need to do that to give my monkey brain a little bit of nurturing.
Yeah. So
Okay.
give me 2 minutes, and I just require your full.
By then, I would say people over here start thinking what they want to ask. Like Savneet is saying, she needs your full name, your age, your date of birth.
I don't want date of birth नहीं, मुझे खाली एक नाम और अपनी age दे दो. That's it. And the question you want to ask.
Put that in the chat box along with your question. Come on, fatafat, tick, 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 till she is sitting down and meditating. Come on, guys. Jaldi karo, opportunity chali jayegi. And Savneet, aap dekhengi. Aarti, will you do me a favor? I cannot read at all. Just go into the chat, and if you can please read.
Yeah, I'll do that.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
Sorry for this, Aarti. For some reason, I can't type. Anu, can I put in my question directly?
Yes, you can. Go ahead.
Okay, thank you. I think she's meditating right now, so later?
Yeah, just when she says she's ready, we'll ask you to unmute yourself. Let this get as interactive as it's required. Your age and your name and your question. All three things, please, guys. I can see that either you put age, you put name, no question. No question means nothing. Koi jawab hi nahi hai. You're not doing any general reading.
Yes, I'm ready.
Wonderful. Archana, shoot. Your question.
I'm Dr. Archana Kumar from Delhi, and I'm 45 years old. And my question to you is, just want to know, my mother-in-law expired a week ago. Can you just tell me, is she in a comfortable place? Is she fine? And anything do we need to do for her? That is all.
She's extremely comfortable, and she's already moved on into another life.
Okay.
And she was very happy when she was here with you.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
She's giving you lots and lots of blessings.
That means a lot. That really means a lot. Thank you. Just give my love to her if you can. Thank you.
Yes.
Wonderful. Let's go with the first question on the chat.
Okay,
Aarti.
so there's Darpana
Okay.
Bajaj, 65 years. And a question is, will my Dil and my son become parents, daughter-in-law and son?
Yes, it will take your daughter-in-law and can you give your
Darpana
daughter-in-law?
Bajaj,
My
Can
and
you
son.
give your okay? Again, can you give me their names?
Their names Sonakshi and Trilok Singh Bajaj.
Yes, they will. There's a figure 9 coming in. Continuously, figure 9 is
He's-
hammering.
Yeah, he's 9th August born.
Okay, okay. So, yeah, they will. Quite
They will?
confident. Yes.
How long? They've been married for 9 years now.
Okay, so I think that's the reason continuously 9. तो फिर अभी जल्दी है news.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Huh? It'll take what? Yes.
Yeah, I think they need to they have a lot of stress in their minds because of this. They need to just erase that stress, and once that
She's a
stress is
working
stopped,
girl. Yeah.
so
Okay.
there is a lot of stress. Once that stress is sorted, things will become better.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. Thank you so much.
Welcome.
Binduji, you can also do later after this, a few of them. Yes. Next question, please.
Next question is from Seema. She's 52 years and she wants to know, will I get this house where I'm staying now in my name?
There's a huge conflict going on with the house.
I think so, yes.
Yes, yes, yes.
So it will take some time. It will take some time, but बहुत मेहनत लगेगी इस पे. It will come in your name, पर मेहनत लगेगी.
I thought so. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Next
Welcome.
question. Wonderful.
Next question is from Ishween Kaur. She's 51 and her question is her career.
Ishween Kaur, you're a very happy-go-lucky person. But एकदम से वही hammer हुआ है मुझे सबसे पहले.
How come?
जैसे ही आपका नाम आया वही hammer हुआ है. What
अच्छा,
is your what is our age is 51. Okay. What do you want to know? Question.
my
She wanna
career,
know about
मेरी life with
अच्छा,
My career.
success,
Okay, okay, okay. Your success and career.
successful.
Yeah, can you hear me?
हाँ जी, I can. मैं सुन सकती हूँ दोनों.
हाँ,
हाँ जी.
voice बहुत break हो रही थी. Are you self-employed?
इस टाइम मैं कुछ नहीं कर रही.
हाँ, तो आप कोई एक बिजनेस कुछ आपके मन में एक आइडिया है, कोई आइडिया आपने प्लांट ऑलरेडी किया हुआ है and you want to move ahead with that?
I failed so many times in my life, like job with job छूट जाती है, business कर करके थक चुकी हैं, और I'm so confused. मेरा बेटा कहता है, I'm an excellent cook. I have a passion for cooking. So मेरा बेटा मेरे पीछे पिया हुआ कह रहा है, Mom, try. You don't have to go and work outside. Job नौकरी नहीं करनी, मम्मा तुसी कार बैठ
तो
के
मैं
कमा सकती
आपको
हो,
बोलूं, आप
अपना काम
जैसे आपने बोला ना, आपके पास आपके लिए यही आंसर आ रहा था कि you have to follow your passion. That's the reason I asked you, are you self-employed? क्योंकि वो पैशन ही, जो भी आप पैशनेटली फॉलो करोगे वो आपका जरूर सक्सेसफुल होगा. आप पहले जो काम कर रहे थे वो दिल से नहीं कर रहे थे. आप मतलब आपका मन कहीं और था. So just follow your passion और वो बहुत सक्सेस लाएगा आपको.
How soon? But it will take time, like, but I
It will take
really need
time.
I
take
really need a stable
time.
income and stable something right now in my life.
So if you start following your passion now, it will take another 3 months थोड़ा ठीक होने के लिए. मतलब it will take 3 months time आपको उसमें ढलने के लिए. But you
Okay.
have to start somewhere. And 3 months में आप satisfied हो जाओगे and then you will take it to the next level.
So do you think it's going to be good for me, like if I follow my passion of cooking, and my son is my great motivation to me.
yes.
he is on my head, सिर पे बैठा है जिसका कहना है दिन रात
हाँ, तो
मम्मा
तनु
मम्मा
उसको लो
मम्मा
बहुत
मम्मा।
सपोर्ट मिलेगी, बहुत सपोर्ट
वो
मिलेगी।
करदा है मैंने बहुत, like he is an excellent like and वो हर चीज करन ਨੂੰ ਤਿਆਰ ਹੈ, ਕਹਿੰਦਾ but मम्मा ਤੁਸੀਂ करो 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 मम्मा 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 like you know last 6 महीने तो घर हैगा, he is working from home and he is on my head like mama you have a passion, you have a talent in you, why don't you do that, why don't you try that, forget about job, don't look for a job, don't stop it. Every day he fights with me one time for this, you know, and he says mom take it seriously what I'm telling you, take it seriously, you'll be very successful in this
उसपे
because you
होगा
have
there is no future with you, मतलब जॉब
I'm
रिलेटेड आप
scared, you know.
सैलरी के लिए कर
I'm-
लोगे और जो मतलब सैलरी के लिए कर लोगे लेकिन that will not give you satisfaction.
Okay, next person.
Next question is from Dr. Bindu Khurana. The question is for Amreen Khurana, 29 years. When will she get married?
Very soon. What do you think? बिंदु जी मुझे कॉल करना है इसके लिए.
Done.
मुझे
Okay,
पूछना
okay,
है
okay.
सवनीत किरण.
हाँ जी.
Next
सत
question.
श्री अकाल जी.
सत श्री अकाल.
जी मेरा क्वेश्चन है, आई एम 52,
हम्म,
आई हैव प्लान्स, आई वांट टू लीव इंडिया एंड गो. तो
हम्म.
दिख रहा है आपको प्लान्स है, आई वांट टू सेटल डाउन ओवरसीज.
बहुत अच्छे से दिख रहा है. This
रियली
will happen. Yes.
एक साल में?
हो जाएगा. I think 1.5 year.
इन या से बाय
मतलब it will take
21
some
तक हो
time.
जाएगा. इट विल
हाँ,
हैपन
मतलब
मगर
21, हाँ 21 के थोड़ा सा आगे होगा.
बट हो जाएगा.
बट हो जाएगा. बट it will take little time. 21 से थोड़ा सा आगे होगा.
बट हो जाएगा राइट.
हो
बट उसके
जाएगा.
बाद थैंक यू वेरी मच. उसके बाद हम लोग जूम पे बात करेंगे.
Yes.
थैंक यू सो मच सवनीत. थैंक्स.
Wonderful. Next question.
Can I
Next
Can I-
question. Yes, Preeti, after the question that I've read,
Okay.
everybody will get a chance. There are
Thank
two
you.
people over here who are destiny speakers. So just Shanti, everything will happen. Time हमारे पास बहुत है. Time की कोई कमी नहीं. हाँ जी. आरती please lead कर दें.
Next question is from Padmini Sandeep Verinkar, age 60 years. And her question is redevelopment of an existing house in Mumbai. Any reason it is stuck?
That will take some time. Padmini, are you into teaching or something? मतलब कुछ
No,
पढ़ाना
no,
related?
I-
Oh, पढ़ाना
नहीं,
कुछ अच्छा लगता है आपको?
नहीं, मैं हॉस्पिटैलिटी में थी बेसिकली. आई एम एक्चुअली मैनेजर फॉर अ रेस्टोरेंट एंड बैंक्वेट एट ओपेरा हाउस.
Okay, that's the reason I see you कि आप खड़े हो और बड़े beautifully address कर रहे हो. So that I thought maybe
हाँ,
teaching.
मतलब पीआर बहुत है, पीआर
हाँ.
करना पड़ता है बहुत, गेस्ट रिलेशंस. यस.
तो आपका जो redevelopment है ना, redevelopment will take some time.
सम टाइम इन द सेंस अगले साल व्हाट it
It will
would be.
take another 2 to 3 years.
Next question, please.
Okay, any reason?
कुछ builder से related है कुछ reason? Any
नहीं मतलब
challenges?
नहीं, बेसिकली चैलेंजेस ऐसे कुछ नहीं है. ये बीच में बहुत सारे नॉर्म्स गवर्नमेंट के बदलते गए ना.
Right.
We don't have any. We are the owners of the bungalow.
Okay.
And we are only 3 brothers, so there are no tenants and all that.
हाँ.
So basically,
because
these
of
norms
these,
kept on changing.
because of these challenges, it will take
हाँ.
some time. 2.5 year आ रहा है. 2.5 year, maybe 2.5, 3 years ऐसे आ रहा है. But हो
Okay.
जाएगा.
Okay.
Just
हो जाएगा, थोड़ी मेहनत
just telling
लगेगी.
everybody एक
Thank
सवाल
you, thank you, ma'am.
a lot of people. Okay, next person, please. Aarti, thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
Thank you. That's okay. Okay, now the next question is from Hemal Tolia and 43 years old. When will I get married and why I have health problems every now and then?
2 सवाल हो गए मैडम. एक चूज कीजिए. कौन सा वाला? हेल्थ चाहिए कि शादी चाहिए? Marriage. Talk about
45.
marriage.
45 आया है. 45. At 45.
At 45.
Okay.
Wonderful.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Excellent. Next question.
Okay, next question is from Aditya Kumar for Radhika Ashwin Kumar, age 47. I am a Reiki healer. How do I increase my intuition power while healing?
Concentrate on meditation and keep doing.
Wonderful. Excellent. Let's go to the next person, Amita.
Amita's question is age 33. How will I get a good job as per my requirements to live life in abundance?
See,
Amita,
yeah, Amita, right?
yes,
Yeah.
Amita.
Amita
And
Topaz.
33. Okay. So job मिलेगी आपको around 2 years. 2 years. उससे अच्छा आप अगर अपना कुछ passion follow करना चाहते हो, you will get abundance on that side.
Okay. Thank you.
Excellent. Next question.
Next question is from Tejendra Sethi, age 52. Question is, what should I learn as healing technique to take forward my spiritual journey?
Just keep exploring, and wherever you find peace, वही technique आगे लेके जाओ.
Very good. Next question.
Next question is from Parmita Shroff, 27. And the question is, when will she find her soulmate?
Soulmate आसपास है. You have to just look for it. आपके आसपास ही है soulmate.
Very good. Next person.
Next
Suchi
is
Tandon.
Suchi
You're most
Tandon. Suchi Tandon, 36 years old. When my parents will settle happily and sadness will go away.
When for her parents, she's asking?
Yeah, I think so.
माँ बाप खुश कब होंगे?
2 का figure आ रहा है 2 साल.
2 years more. Okay, next.
Thank you.
Next
Welcome.
question is Namita Malik, 55 years. I want to get into my own business and I'm not getting any growth in my present career.
Business wise, it will take another 3 years. Like you can start doing 3 years लगेंगे उसको settle होने में, उसको formulate होने में.
Very good. Next question, please.
Dorothy,
Somebody is
55
again
years.
unmuted. Yes. Go
When
ahead.
will my son get a job?
There's time for it. Another 1.5 years.
Wonderful.
Till then he can get small jobs. Just stable job होगी वो 1.5 years.
For stable job, 1.5 years. Small jobs, he can get it right now. Okay. Next one.
Aditya Kumar, questioning for my son. My son, 16 years old. What are his prospects of finding a good university abroad after 12? His class 12.
Is he pursuing something related to finance? क्योंकि something related to finance आ रहा है कि वो he will prosper a lot in something related to finance.
That's what his counselors are. Can you hear me?
Yes,
that's
yes.
what his counselors are advising him. But he wants to go for engineering. We are looking for a good university abroad. We just want to know what will he be like there, and will he get a good university up there?
He's
somewhere
very hardworking. He's very hardworking and he's quite studious also. So he will get through. But उसको so maybe I don't know engineering से या finance में shift हो जाएगा या क्या, but he will do something related to finance. बहुत prosperity है उसको उसमें.
Thank you. Thanks a lot. Yeah.
Wonderful. Next question, please.
Okay, next question is from Pratap Singh Bajaj. When my daughter will get married?
How old is he?
Nothing is mentioned.
Sir जी age चाहिए.
Daughter का नाम और age.
Name of daughter and her age. Please unmute yourself. Name of the daughter and her age. No question. No. Let's go to the next person.
Sanskriti Jain, 40, want financial independence. Whether to join husband at shop or can start something new.
She can start something new.
Okay, thank you.
Wonderful.
I think
There
That's
is
it.
one person who's put her hand up, Miss Bajaj. Please unmute
Pratap.
yourself. Yeah.
He's put it in the group. Hema, daughter's name is Hema, 81 born. So means going to be 40
Okay.
this year, no?
Hmm.
No, 39
Yeah.
years, I think.
Yeah, got it. What's the question?
When will
When
she
will
get married, I think.
Okay. थोड़ा time है. It will take some time, but she's very happy. I think her age that is coming is 42 or 45. Both these two dates have popped.
Okay, chalo मेरे लिए बताओ. Anu Mehta, age 52. How long should I continue doing these programs?
Continue it forever. इससे कुछ और अच्छा होने वाला है. ये कुछ दिशा दिखाएगा कुछ दूसरी चीज की. I don't know. This is just. This won't remain.
Anu, that we can tell you. Give her a tough question.
नहीं, मैंने उसका जवाब ही नहीं सुना. टफ क्या, इजी क्या? सबनी बता ना, क्या था आंसर, क्या था? कितनी देर
ये शुरुआत है, कुछ और होएगा इसके बाद. Somebody's mic.
हेमा जी, आप जोर से बोल रही हैं, जो मेरा नहीं हो सकता वो मेरा नहीं हो सकता. आप अफर्म करें कि आपका सब कुछ हो सकता है.
हाँ, राइट.
और आवाज को बंद करें. सब कुछ हो सकता है बॉस. मुर्दा अगर जिंदा हो सकता है, सब कुछ हो सकता है. और मैंने ये भी देखा है. चलिए, सबके सवाल हो गए कि कोई रह गया है? हाँ जी, प्लीज.
Questions have come again.
क्वेश्चन एक और है, चलिए बताइए.
Varsha Parekh has questions for Mr. Umesh Parekh, 63 years old, trading in shares for the last 30 years. Should he continue same? He's 63 years old and he's doing trading since 30 years. Whether he should continue the same or start some other business.
No, he should continue the same.
Wonderful. Wonderful.
Padmini, her daughter, Kshitija, 1985 born. Will she become a mother?
85 मत बोलो.
और उसने लिखा है. Can you tell your daughter's age, please?
She's 85 born. 34, yeah, 34. अरे minus
37 something, I think. 35 something.
No. 30
will be 34.
34.
2020 minus 1985.
It will be 34, ma'am. I am 33. I am 86 born.
Okay. 34 and when marriage पूछा है ना?
हाँ.
तो 37 में होगा अगर यहाँ 38.
Okay. Very good.
बच्चा पूछा है.
अच्छा,
अब बच्चा पूछा.
तो फिर बच्चा 37 और 38 ये दो डेट्स आई हैं उनके नाम पे.
चलो, बढ़िया. लास्ट टिक 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 टिक. किसी को कुछ पूछना है बिफोर शी कम्स आउट? एक और सवाल आया लगता है.
I think so. I'm getting greedy now.
Seema, no, we have.
Seema has asked.
Okay.
We'll make sure
Seema's question. Seema, 52. When will my divorce come through?
टाइम आ गया है, हो जाएगा. 2 years आया है. 2 years में एक स्मूथली हो जाएगा.
Love you, Savneet. Love you. Savneet, आप अपने लिए क्वेश्चन पूछ लो.
Okay, आ जाओ, आप बाहर आ जाओ प्लीज. So let's give a round of applause for this lady.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. I'm going to request. I'm going to request Bindu Khurana to take a few questions around names or anything that she can. Very fact we have two beautiful people over here. Why not? So I'm going to stop this recording.